Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this RAGU 12.6 volt keyless chuck drill. Comes with I think 34 pieces of accessories, and the question is it something good for the beginner or intermediate or the pro, or what is it? So I have tested this already, not everything, not all the accessories of course, but I think it could be a really nice beginner set. I mean, of course there's not a huge amount of power, it has some limitations. What's also a little bit difficult is this battery. What's good, I mean, it is fast charge. It's supposed to be charged in just 1 hour, and we get 2 of these batteries, so you can use it almost continuously. This is a very good thing. It's a little bit hard to push here inside and even harder to take it out. It has a pretty fancy shape, so usually we have these large things underneath, and so we have a safe stand. We still have a stand, but of course it's not very safe. This is one of the disadvantages here, but it looks really good. What we also have, we have this battery indicator on top here, which is even better than most of the even brand ones, which have the battery indicator down here. We have even a really nice light. I mean, it's not super strong, it's rather weak, but we have a light. We have 2 gears, of course. On the fast gear it doesn't have a lot of torque. I've been drilling into a tree, and even with this small drill it really got to the limit, but when I switched to the first gear it had enough torque to go full into the tree. We have the different torque settings, you can see. I mean, on the one I can easily hold it. On the, let's say, 8 it gets definitely harder, and on the 18, yeah, I can still hold it, but it's really tough. And then we have the drill function. Of course there's no hammer function. I think none of the RAGU drills have a real hammer function. We get some of the drills which are actually intended for concrete, but with such a thing it will take some time. Of course you can buy some special drills for concrete which don't need a real hammer function, but you have to buy it separate. Apart from that, we have 3 different sizes for the wood. We have some metal, we have some concrete, we have these special larger drills for wood. We have also some adapters here. We have also this nut adapter. What's also really interesting is this gooseneck thing here. I have already one which is not good working. This one is much better, so I remove this thing here. By the way, to secure this drill we can use the automatic mode, or we can also secure them manually here, but you can see there's not much resistance. It won't really block, and also we don't have this additional lock to the back side or so. But what's really cool is this gooseneck. You can see that here I can go full speed and it won't bend. It's really stiff. You can see this thing is turning, but apart from that nothing is twisting or so or bending. This is pretty good. I would say for this entry-level thing this is really good. We have these 2 gears here on top. You can definitely feel the difference. On the one it has more torque, on the 2 it has more speed, but we can adjust the speed here. You can see, can go really slow, increase it, go super fast. So this definitely works. It has also some ventilation, we can feel that. So it's definitely not just a toy, but it's definitely a beginner set. It's not something for the pro or so, but I think this could be still very interesting set for a beginner, first time user. So if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, see you next time.